Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? This is Karthik Poovan. I'm a leadership coach and author. Continuing this journey, driving and also looking at the roads, which are very, very calm, very, very pleasant. Why they are calm and pleasant? There's no traffic. And the movement is very, very swift and smooth. I thought our thoughts are also just like that. There is a congestion of thoughts. When there is so much of congestion, a person's life becomes very restrictive. He feels very, very loaded with enormous levels of burden. And this is exactly what I feel is happening to a majority of the population, especially those who have families. Because they consider family responsibilities to be some holy activity that they're doing. In fact, one needs to understand that when a husband and a wife decide to have a child, it is their decision to have a child. When a child comes and they consider it as one family, or earlier days they used to be the father's mother and father who used to stay with him. There used to be an extension, relatives used to come. At least around a house means at least around 20 people living in that house. You won't find a house, especially I'm talking about India. Even in the African countries, this was the truth. I don't know, even in certain parts, it's still the reality. If you look at the earlier colonial European places, especially Germany, if you know a lot of people, Germany was always known to be a land where people used to be living together. At least around, it was an extended family everywhere. There wasn't a single country. In America, still today, it is considered to be the most developed country, but still, child, family, children, there's a lot of sentiments towards it. So, one thing what we'll all have to understand is, when two people come together and were socially called as husband and wife, they decide to have a child, and then they begin to think that the child is a burden, the child is a responsibility, and they begin to feel that the child is causing trouble to them. This is all because of the unconscious thoughts that has happened within the periphery of their mind, which they have executed, and today it has resulted to disastrous situations. As the same repetition what the child is also going to do. So therefore, what I feel is people should consciously stop any kind of activity which is making them do things in a compulsive way. And for this, the mind has to be free from congested thoughts. And congested thoughts essentially mean the thoughts which are implanted by the society. They're not theirs. It's completely implanted by the society. And this implantation has led to various levels of feeling of self-worthiness. People feel worthy because they feel that they have a family. They feel worthy because they have a job. They feel worthy because they are, able to own a good house, a good car, all of these things. I'm not against a good, luxurious life. I also enjoy a luxurious drive. I enjoy a luxurious toy. I enjoy luxurious living. But these things don't define me. And that is because I have completely uncluttered the social conditioning. And when you unclutter the social conditioning and decide what is that kind of a life you need, you decide for yourself whether you need marriage or not. You decide for yourself whether you need a good family or what kind of a family you need. You decide for yourself what does freedom mean to you in your life. And when this decision happens from the womb of freedom, you will know that your life is just a fantastic drive without any traffic, and you will experience enormous levels of lightness within you. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay energized. This is Karthik Poovan, and I will see you in yet another amazing video. Great day.